Another one, guys. This isn't even 5 minutes later.
The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac, has issued a special marine warning for Michigan waters of Lake Erie until 7:30 p.m. At 6:05 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Grosse Ile to 12 nautical miles northwest of Monroe Harbor, moving southeast at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and large hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Severe thunderstorms will be near Woodland Beach and Detroit Beach around 6:55 p.m. Monroe Harbor around 7 p.m. Stony Point and Estrel Beach around 7:05 p.m. Detroit River Light around 7:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by severe thunderstorms include Stony Point, Gibraltar, Estrel Beach, Woodland Beach, and Detroit Beach. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.